it's Vijaya back at you with another video, and in this one we are making Manchurian chicken. So if you are a Hakka Chinese food lover, this is for you. If you grew up in Scarborough like I did, you know Federick's, you know Lynn Garden, you know Tangerine, and this is one of their signature dishes, Manchurian chicken in this amazing chili sauce. It is so good, and you think that the only way that you can ever eat it is if you go out, but today I'm gonna give you all the secrets, that's right, so that you can make it at home super duper easily. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. And of course, if you're looking for the full recipe, just click that info box down below and everything you need is there. Let's make some Manchurian chicken. Manchurian chicken is such a flavorful dish. They're morsels of chicken that are coated in this amazing fiery red sauce. And we wanna build layers of flavor, and we're gonna start by marinating our chicken. I'm using chicken thighs for this recipe, and trust me you guys, I've made this recipe with chicken breasts, and thighs are so much better because they're flavorful, they're more juicy and tender. I'm gonna first start by grating in a little bit of garlic, followed by some ginger, and I'm gonna season things up with some salt and black pepper. I'm gonna crack in a large egg and sprinkle in some cornstarch. And we're gonna give that a nice mix until it's nice and coated. And now we're gonna work on our sauce for the Manchurian chicken. So in this measuring cup, I have a little bit of chicken broth, and to that I'm gonna add our thickening agent, cornstarch. Now it's really important to dissolve the cornstarch fully so that we have a nice smooth sauce at the end. Now to that I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce, and you can add your favorite hot sauce at this point. I like using a vinegar-based hot sauce, and I'm using a Mexican variety, which sounds so strange for an Indo-Chinese recipe, but trust me, it works. A little bit of strained tomato sauce, which is gonna add some richness, salt to taste, and a tiny pinch of red food coloring, which is gonna give us that nice vibrant red color. And we're gonna mix everything together until it's nice and incorporated. And now I'm gonna mince up a little bit of onion and grate some fresh ginger and garlic. So all our components are ready. Our onion, ginger, and garlic, marinated chicken, our sauce. Now let's hit the stove and put this together. So I have a little bit of canola oil in my pan. It's on medium-high heat. And now I'm gonna add my chicken in batches, and we're gonna cook it until it's cooked through. So I've added just a tablespoon more of oil because most of it was used to cook up the chicken. And now in go my aromatics, my onion, ginger, and garlic. And we're gonna saute them off until they're nice and fragrant and translucent. So our onions are smelling nice and fragrant, and now is the time to add the sauce. Now I wanna give it a nice mix again just to make sure that cornstarch is well distributed, and into the pan it goes. And look at that color. The key to any sauce that's thickened with cornstarch is that you want it to come to a rolling boil to see its full thickening potential. Our sauce is gonna get nice and glossy and thick. Oh my goodness, look at that, it looks amazing. And now I'm just gonna tumble in my chicken, and we're gonna give it a nice toss to coat it in all this thick, glossy sauce. And now we got some coriander in there. That's what Federick's does, so that's what I'm doing too. And it smells incredible. And now it's time to give it a taste. I have been waiting for this moment for quite some time. I'm such a big fan of Hakka Chinese food. This looks like a moist morsel with tons of coriander. Let's give it a taste. It tastes identical to Federick's, okay? There's not much more that I can say than that, but the chicken is so moist and tender, and then covered in that sauce that's full of onions, ginger, garlic, and the secret ingredient, tomato sauce. Federick's will never tell you that there's tomato sauce in there, but there is, and it gives such a great richness to the entire flavor profile of this dish. This is Manchurian chicken. If you are a Hakka lover, you've got to try it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' Thumbs up, you know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, request, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye.